How to hide WhatsApp status from specific contacts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can hide WhatsApp status from specific contacts. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to hide your WhatsApp status from a specific contact, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do for that is open the WhatsApp application and come to the Updates tab, where you'll be able to see status. Now if you look on the right hand side of status, you'll find the three dots option. If you tap the three dots option, you'll find the option called status privacy. So now you can tap the status privacy option, and here you can see it says who can see my status updates. You can select only share with or my contacts accept. So if you want to hide some contacts, you can tap on my contacts accept a few specific people that you choose to hide, and then they will get successfully hidden from your WhatsApp status. This way you'll be able to hide a few specific contacts from your WhatsApp status. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.